Boy Mountain. Pull up. No good. Boy Mountain again. Yes, sir. Wala. Rebound by Boy Mountain. Lakas ni Boy Mountain, oh. Pasok. Ralph Recto. Jake. Pull up. Pasok. Pututoy. Oy! Number 8, Jules. Pasto. Sino yan? Wala. Rebound by Jules. Pasok by Jules. Ayun na, number 9. To number, sino yan? Pasok! Grabe yun. Ayun kay 15. Pasok. Oy, foul basket. Bonus. Wala. Oy, sa kanya pa rin. Oy, grabe yun, oh. Pasok by Mikey Bastos. Oy, rebound by number 18 to number 5. Number 5, ayan na, biyahe na. Grabe naman yun. Pass to number 79, pumukol. Pasok! Oy, grabe yun. Number 9. Pasok. Ha? Ito start of second quarter. Jake to Bon. Pumukol. Pasok. Roundy. So, sino yan? Oy, Boy Mountain. 2 points by Boy Mountain.
Hindi mo alam, no? Alam ko eh.
Unit niya, Launty. Ayun na. Pasok. Yun, Launty. Number 8. Pass to Alan. Ayan na si Alan. Alan, whoop. Pasok. Grabe yun, Boy Mountain. Pasok by Boy Mountain. Ayun na kay Boy Mountain. Pasok by Boy Mountain, number 90. Joe next to Boy Mountain. Ganda nun. Wala. Pasok by number 8, Joel. Yun, no? Pass to Kolotsky, 15. Oy! Uy! Bata mabibig tinawagan! Ito yung pamangkin ng gobernador ng Cebu. Ayan na kay Shoop, number 5. Number 5, biyahe to Jules. Jules, pull up, pasok. Boy Mountain. What a move by Boy Mountain. Ayan na si Mikey Bastos. Ang ganda ng pasa. Oy, nice one. Nice move by Mikey Bastos. Chris Castillo to bien. Pasok. Pasok by 01 to number 1. Number 1, pass to Castillo. Oy, ang ganda nung pasa, oh. Ganda, no? Special delivery by Mr. Castillo yung buhangin. Number 1 to Jake. Jake, pasok. Ayan na, oy, ang bilis talaga. Oy, Jake, for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. Sino yan? Si Fred Udtuhan. Ayan na, si Ruan Udtuhan. Oy! Foul basket tayo. Foul by number 7.
8 seconds.
Oy, pasok. Sino yun nakapasok? Jules. Dumaan. Ganon yung gusto ko pag dumaan, nakasmile. Oy, grabe si Fred VanVleet. 2 points by Fred VanVleet. Oy, Castillo yung buhangin. Binumba. Wala. Castillo yung buhangin ulit. Pasok. Number 15. Pass to 01. Fred VanVleet. Pumukol. Pasok. Grabe yun. Junix dribbling the ball. Pass to Alan. Alan to Garcia. Pull up. Pasok. Number 01. 01. Pinakita nga. Time out. Greg. Bastos. To Jake. Wala. Jake ulit. Wala. Oy. 2 points by 21, Mr. Bastos. Grabe yun. Oy! Naka-D4 pa si Garcia, oh. Okay. Ayun na. Grabe for 3, Jake. Pasok! Ayun na. Atras kayo, blow. Oy, Chris. Oy, grabe. Meron daw siya pumasok. Ano? Jake for 3. Rebound by Chris. Pasok! Ayun na si, pasok by Jake Tobon. Oy, alis kayo dyan. For 3. Wala. For Chris Castillo. Wala.